Hi, I'm Dale Schornack, Public Information Officer with the California Department of Public Health. As wildfire activity increases across the state, we're urging Californians in smoky areas to reduce outdoor activity and stay indoors whenever possible. Wildfire smoke can cause eye and lung irritation and make symptoms worse for people with lung and heart conditions. And please, seek medical care immediately if you're experiencing chest pain, chest tightness, or shortness of breath. For more information on protecting yourself and your family during a wildfire, visit cdph.ca.gov.